In this video, I'm going to show you how to completely uninstall McAfee from your Windows computer or laptop. So the first thing we're going to do is open up the Start menu on your computer, search for the word Settings and click on the Settings window. Click on Apps in the left-hand side and click on Installed Apps. Then use the search box to search for the word McAfee. And the first method to go and uninstall McAfee is simply to click on the three horizontal dots next to the application and you can go and press uninstall. Now, if you have multiple McAfee applications here, you may need to do this for both of them. Now, sometimes this method doesn't always work and sometimes it will leave leftover files on your computer. So if that's the case for you, then what we'll need to do is head over to an internet browser and we're going to type in McAfee uninstaller and then press enter. Now you need to click on this website here, which is the official McAfee.com website, and it's going to take you over to this support article. Now you're going to scroll down and click on the drop down next to option 2 and then scroll down again and click on this download the MCPR tool. Once it's finished downloading, just open up your downloads and you'll need to go and open up this file. Now just run through the steps while this installs onto your computer. So I'm going to press next, agree to the terms and conditions and press next, and go and enter the security code that you see on the screen. Now give that a few minutes while it goes and uninstalls all of these files from your computer. Now once this is finished, you'll need to restart your computer and McAfee will be completely uninstalled. If this doesn't work the first time round, you can always restart your computer and you can try loading up the removal tool again, and that should now solve that issue. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.